Hello students, welcome to this ethics class. Now we will discuss 2015 3A. A mere compliance with law is not enough. The public servant also has to have a well-developed sensibility to ethical issues for effective discharge of duties. Do you agree? Explain with the help of two examples where an act is ethically right but not legally. An act is legally right but not ethically. So again, before watching this video, attempt this question on your own at least once. So we have to give two examples and explain these two cases. In one case, act is ethically right but not legally. In another case, the act is legally right but not ethically. Because why we are trying to explain this with these examples is that a mere compliance with law is not enough. You need to have well developed sensibility to ethical issues. You need to have very good understanding of ethics. So that is very important, and that is why we have ethics paper, and that is why mere compliance with law is not enough. You have to have a sense of ethical issues so that even laws can be improved. Let us see. This is an example I use repeatedly. This is an example that is used in a case study. A poor destitute woman comes to civil servant to include her in a scheme. She clearly needs lot of help, which was confirmed even on inquiry. However, she lacks necessary documents. Not helping her is legally right and allowed, but not ethically. So because she does not have documents, if you do not help her, it is fine, because legally you are fine if you do not help her. But the thing is, it is not right ethically. Legally, even if you do not help her, nothing will happen. You are right, nothing will happen. But if you do not help her, it is ethically wrong. When someone is in such poor condition, not helping shows extreme lack of empathy. She should be helped by arranging for her documents, removing unnecessary rules by talking to superiors, including her in present scheme and other schemes as well applicable for her, and in every other way possible. So we need to think with ethics, not with law, and we need to try to help her in every way. And also, we are not breaking law here. Instead, we are trying to help her through law. So only complying with law is not enough. You need to understand the ethical dimension of the issue, and you need to act ethically. And another example, breaking salt law by making salt by Gandhi was ethically right, even though it was legally wrong. So here we are giving another example where it is legally wrong but ethically right. This is because salt law was unethical due to lack of inclusivity. There was no democracy, there was no empathy, there was no public discourse, there was no humanism, and there was presence of imperialism, racial hatred, inequality, and other poor values. So the law itself loses its value significantly if it does not have important values. And these important values include democracy, public discourse, empathy, inclusivity, humanism. And this law has lost its relevance because of also presence of other values like imperialism, racial hatred, inequality, and other poor values. So here breaking the salt law was ethically right but not legally. So it comes to around 136 words. So since ethics is subjective paper, you can come up with your own examples to explain these two case studies. And that is why it is very important to have a well developed sensibility to ethical issues. Just mere compliance with law is not enough. So that is all. Thank you.